So welcome to my brand new tutorial. This is problem solving and data structure and algorithm tutorial. So every day we'll solve 2, 3 or 4 problems and up to 1000 or 500 problems. Okay, I'm gonna cover 500 to 1000 problem solving in LeetCode by JavaScript. Okay, so this would be a wonderful journey, and as a programmer, this is our cherishing desire or the wildest dream to solve problems as much as possible, and along with that we need to go for open source contribution. So problem solving is very much important in if you wanna make your place in Fortune 500 company. So problem solving is must. You will be interviewed by problem solving. So this will be a master class of problem solving, and I am repeating you that you will get 500 to 1000 problem solving every day. I'm gonna upload videos over here by the grace of Almighty. So stay tuned. This will be a wonderful journey, and definitely you will get pay bump, or your career will a new height. Okay, so let's, without further ado, let's dive into the deep. So we are gonna start from easy to medium to hard problems. So you will get a combination of easy, medium or hard on 500 to 1000 problems. Okay, solution of 1000 problems. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. So this problem is to solve a problem. If you can understand the problems very efficiently, so programming language is not a big deal. You can solve it by JavaScript, C++, Python, Java, or anything else. Okay, so understand the problem is vital factor over here. So what they are saying here? It is Roman to integer. Some Roman numbers are given here, and we have to convert it to integers. So on correspond with I correspond with 1, B correspond with 500, like that. And there are test cases over here. First of all, you have to read the test cases to get to understand it quickly. So what is saying here? Say example 3. So what is, sorry, so what is saying here, some Roman numbers and corresponding values are given. So you have to find out the summation of the number. Like here is m is equal to 1000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 4 equal to, it should be 1994. So as a human being, we can do it easily. This is very easy sum, but you have to do it programmatically or logically by JavaScript code or whatever code you like. Okay, so my forte is JavaScript, so I am doing it by JavaScript. You can implement it by any language. So if you want to understand the problem a bit detailed, so I have a every iteration detail what is happening over here. Initially we are gonna take a variable and it will be 0, and then first iteration will get 1900. That's way we'll go at the end, and for first iteration, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration, sixth and seventh iteration, everything is given detailed here. So I'll come here again after doing the code. Okay, so let's do it. Say bar Roman to integer equal to function. So we have to take a parameter over here. Say we need to take a variable, a predefined variable, and that is this one. This is the value. Okay, what is corresponding over here. Say this is this one, I mean this one. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to run a for loop or iterate over. So let I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, and every iteration what will happen, we are taking two variable on is current, and current should be map s I, and next should be, I am letting you understand after a bit, don't worry. Next equal to map is I plus 1. It will go to the next number. Okay, so we need another condition. If next is not equal to undefined, and current is less than next, then two things will happen. First of all, if it is true, then we will minus. Okay, we need another thing. Let initialize a number with 0. Okay, we'll increment it by the course of time. Okay, 0, so it should be, we'll update the number and it will be minus current. Okay, so it will be num equal to num minus current, and else it will be num, we'll update the num plus equal current. I think we are done. So we should return the number, return num. So let's see what will happen for this test case. So console.log Roman to integer. Okay, let's check. I hope it will work. Node num r, there is a typo. 10, there is a typo. I think this time num 30. Oh, sorry, sorry, my bad. It should be node 13. Yeah, we got the expected result is 1994. Boom, and it is 1994. So what is happening over here? So let's console log the iteration, say console.log current console.log next. Okay, let's get the output once again. You see, first iteration current is 1000, next is 100. So it will do this exactly same thing. So first iteration, initially the num is 0, okay, and what is checking? Current less than next, so it's becoming false. So it will happen num equal to num plus current. So initially it is 0 and now it is plus 1000. So num will update by first iteration, num will update by 1000. The second iteration, what is happening? Current less than, so it's becoming true, so it will minus 900. It will update 900, second iteration. And in the third iteration, it is becoming false, so it will update 900 with current, I mean 1900. In fourth iteration, it will update this one, okay, so on. In the fourth iteration, it will become again true and it will update with 1900 minus 10. This way it will update up to seventh iteration. So I am making it easy for you as I have gone through all the iteration what is happening over here. So I hope this will make sense and it will make you a good understanding of this problem. So I think problem is solved. So I hope you will understand and stay tuned, stay connected. It will be a wonderful journey. We will solve 1000 LeetCode problems by JavaScript. Okay, so definitely it will boost your career. So stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.